Hello, my name is Dr. Jared Starr. If you're watching this video, this is an arrangement written by my father, Dr. James Starr. And he was a previous professor at Emporia State University. He's retired. And throughout his life and throughout our lives, he wrote arrangements for students and for our family to play. And I thought it was about time to preserve his legacy of these arrangements and publish them and make videos of these arrangements so you know how they sound. These are very special to my family and to many people who have taken lessons from my father. So please subscribe to this channel and please purchase these arrangements and use them with students and with your own families. Thank you.